All right, y'all, so we in Philly D's garage. We got the Honda Accord in here, just pulled it in. So the Honda broke, y'all. We gotta fix the Honda. Let me turn this thing off before we die in here. Oh shit. Push the start. All right, there we go. All right, so we gotta fix a tire, guys. So I done already sprayed it. Y'all can see where it's leaking at. So I'm just gonna plug it because I don't have a tire machine here to patch it. So y'all know what a patch, you gotta take the tire off. So here she is, she's leaking. We got a leaker. See it bubbling? All you need is some soapy water. Put some water in there, some soap in there, shake it up, spray it, and the leak will show itself. So today, all we're gonna do is we're just gonna plug her up real quick. All right, show y'all how to do a quick tire plug. I'm pretty sure it's on the channel somewhere. All right, show y'all how to get it in there. So you need this tool, and this guy. Pull one of these out. Now, if you ever deal with these things and you got on like some plastic gloves like this, it get all real sticky. It gets on your nerves. So a trick, if you got one of these on, you get some water. Hold on, let me show you. I kind of left without the damn camera. You get some water, right? All right, get your spray, and you spray the tip of your fingers while with the water, and then your gloves won't stick to the plug itself. All right, little trick. Old head told me that once. So get your tool, get your plug, stick the plug through there like this. Get it through there. Bam. Now usually the black ones aren't as thick. Usually the orange ones are the thicker ones. They're the real good ones, but I don't know. These black ones seem pretty thick. I guess they're good black ones. All right, so once you get it in your tool, like we got here, then you wanna just go back over to the tire. Now I should have some tweezers. So you get some little plugs like this, because I didn't even take the nail out yet. So you gotta be able to get the nail out. Let me see here. You guys see the nail? So you're gonna try to pull that nail out. Ugh. Oh, you know what? I should show you guys these tools that I got. The best pliers ever. Hold on. Let me show you. They're called Vamp Pliers. I know my auto techs out there heard of Vamp Pliers before. These are called Vamp Pliers. All right. I know my auto techs out there probably heard of Vamp Pliers, but you guys see the teeth? See that? They're meant to grab stuff like this. Get it on there. All right, guys, bear with me. This is real time stuff. Hold on. It's hard to do it with one hand. Alrighty. So I'm getting it out. That thing is in there. You know what? Let me sit y'all down real quick, because this is starting to get real serious. I know I don't got my other light. Got all these lights. Alright. Holy shit. Alright. Guess what, guys? we gotta go and get another tool. I don't got my side cutters here. Actually, I got some big ones here. I doubt that these will grab it. Holy shit, man, you guys see that? Man, I'm sitting here fighting this thing with one hand. Only on Philly D's channel. Y'all see it? Look at that guy. He's almost out. Holy shit. Motherfucker. Alright. Guys, I got a habit of putting tools back when I'm done with it. So when I do that, don't pay no attention to it. So now you're gonna grab your reamer, stick it in there. You wanna wash the paint on the car. You wanna ream it out. Oh shit. Get it in there. Ream it in there, get it. You don't wanna hurt it, but you just wanna make sure you get it in there. Now, all right. So now we got our plug here. Sorry for being so dramatic. So you got your tire plug here. Now, if you want to go a step further, they got what they call cement glue, right? And you can put that on here and it'll basically make a better seal. So let's just do that. Again, guys, I'm working with one hand. So, all right, so we got that. Let's open this up. I got one already open. Fuck. Of course, there's nothing in there, right? Let's try another one. Oh, fuck. I got 3 tubes of this shit. Ain't nothing in none of them. Here we go. So, put a little bit of glue on there. That's if you want to, if you prefer to, okay? See that? You can use whatever you want, tire sealant, anything. All right, let's go back over here to the car. All right, so we're gonna pull this guy out. All right, and here's the hole. Hold on. When I go in with these and I try to push them in, I usually twist and turn. I don't know, it works for me, but let me see. Holy fuck. Hold on, y'all. Damn. All right, so it's in there. Once you get it in there like that, you see it? It's pushed all the way in. All the way in. All right, now you want to pull it out real quick. You gotta pull it out quick because if you pull it too slow, you're gonna pull the plug back out. So you gotta get hype with it. You see it? Bam. So a lot of people like to cut it off, the rest of it. I don't really cut it off. If it's too much there, I'll cut it off some, but I like to leave a little bit there. So when you drive, just smash it on there to be, you know, it should seal even more once it's smashed down. But I've also seen some guys put these plugs in and put them in so close that they slide back inside the tire. And then you're sitting there dealing with a hole again. So that's how you do it, y'all. That's how you plug a tire. Man, I'm all tired. I'm rushing like I got a customer waiting. Like I got a customer waiting and shit. Man, forgot we in Philly D's garage, so we move at my pace. Sorry guys. I get to check out my toolbox while I plug the tire. Yeah, but the Honda doing good. Other than the air I gotta put in there. I almost forgot. Shit. So yeah, so then once you get the plug in there, you wanna gotta put air in the tire too. Forgot all about that. So we're gonna use the snap-on, but it's Blue Point, but it's snap-on slash Blue Point, whatever you want to call it. All right, so you want to come around here. Maybe we should just walk this way. As y'all can see, this tire is super flat. So let's find the tire valve. Let's plug her up. I think this tire take like 35 or something. I always put more than what the manufacturer calls for because I like to compensate for the time the car is going to sit. I like to compensate for the cold weather. So it's a couple reasons why I put a little bit more in my tires above the manufacturer's recommendations, okay? We are at 23 pounds, going up. Doing stuff like this is a good time to check your brakes and check your tires and stuff like that. Look around real quick. Got 28. I'm gonna show you guys where to check. We got 31. So let's just go double check real quick. The side of your door will tell you where your tire pressure should be at. Right here. So it's telling us to be at 33 in the front, 33 in the back. I ain't going for that. Nope. Not putting 33 pounds in my tire. So this car is going to get at least 38 pounds. Yeah, we're gonna set it at 38. 33 is too low, and then like you put it at 33, and only a couple pounds. Like if it drops 1 pound, 2 pounds, then your sensor wants to come on. You know, it's like, nah. I'd rather just put it a couple pounds above. All right, we're at 38. We're gonna leave it at 38. Put your tire cap back on. Don't forget about that. All right, what I'm gonna do is get back in the car, start your car, and turn that wheel back straight before somebody get up in there and pull out and run into my shit, you know what I mean? So, here we go. All right, y'all. But I think I was telling y'all, yeah, the Honda doing good though. The Honda's straight. I keep trying to talk about the Honda, but I think on these Hondas, you know what? Hold on. These might have a tire calibration. These do have a tire calibration on them. They do, but the light ain't on, so let me check for y'all real quick. In case y'all have to do this. Let me see. Tpms calibration. You want to hit your select button. You want to go down to calibrate. Okay, hit select on calibrate. Calibration started is what it's saying. And calibration has ended. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now the light was only on because the tire was low. So now the light should be out. No lights are on. We're good to go. All right. That's how you do it. See, you gotta keep one of these in your cars, man. Keep one of those in all my cars, so you can check your tire pressure whenever you may need to. All right, y'all. God damn it, I just keep forgetting to do stuff. One more thing you want to do is just, you want to make sure that that tire plug is not leaking. You see it right there? You see it? So all you pretty much got to do is, I know it's not leaking, man, but I'm trying to show y'all what to do, because I'm very efficient at my tire plugs. So you want to spray it. Man, that water. All right, you want to spray it and just make sure it ain't leaking. It's clearly not leaking. So I'm gonna call that a fix, guys. So yeah, that's it. That's how you plug a tire. Now you can plug your tire, or you can get it patched. Now if you go to the shop to get it patched, then they're gonna it's gonna be a little bit more money, because they got to take the tire off and patch from the inside. So you're going to pay probably $50–$60, opposed to, depending on where you at, you know, you may pay $10 to $20 for a tire plug. So that'll be your choice of which way you want to go with that. So honestly, they both work to me. So I've never seen one fail unless somebody did it wrong. So yeah, so y'all just had to pick and choose which one. Whichever the shop offers is what you're gonna have to go through, because I'm pretty sure whenever you need your tire plugged or patched, you're gonna be stuck with the fact that you gotta go to whatever shop is the closest to you. So, you know, you just gotta go with, if they offer a patch, then you get a patch done. If they do plugs, then you gotta get a plug done. So like I said, either way, they both work for me. So, all right, y'all, if you like the video, share it, comment on it, hit the like button, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, so you know D got some bonus footage, right? So I showed y'all how to plug the tire, right? So here's the deal. I always tell people, tell my customers, y'all want to keep a little kit like this and a tool inside of your trunk. It's probably like a $5 kit from Walmart, AutoZone. All those stores sell it. But you want to keep like a little kit like that in your trunk, a little small air compressor, because if you can fix your tire, there's no point in fixing your tire if you can't put air in it, right? So you want to keep a kit like that, a little tire plug kit in your trunk, and then you want to keep like a small air compressor in your trunk. You could buy a small compressor for probably about 20 bucks, a good one that'll pump your tire up in about 2–3 minutes. That's better and cheaper than having to call your AAA or trying to get your local mechanic to come out to you, because they're going to charge you, you know, who knows amount, you know, how much money they're going to charge you. So be better off just buying your little kit. They usually come with like 5 plugs in it, so that's 5 different, you know, nails, punctures, whatever that you can fix with one kit. You times that by 5–10 times you go to the mechanic shop, you spending over $300–$300. So yeah, I just wanted to add that on. Get your little kit, little tire plug kit, and an air compressor. Keep it in your trunk, and you can feel safe while you driving. All right, there you go. Philly D. Check you on the next one.